Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of the nail design we're going to be working on this week, and I'm going to be doing a 2-finger nail art tutorial video this week. The design you see on my pointer finger, I'm going to be repeating that same design on my ring finger. My middle finger is going to be a little bit different. So the 2 polishes that I'm using, well actually it's 3 polishes that I'm using this week. The first polish, the turquoise polish that you see here, is by Broadway Nails. And it's called Mr. Right. So I applied this polish on my thumb all over, my pinky all over, and my middle finger I applied it just on the tip. And the line that you see going across my nail here, I also use the same nail polish. For the brown polish that I use, which is here, that I applied on the tip of my nail, and I did the same thing on this finger. The nail polish is by Clean Colors, and it's called Espresso number 58. And I applied the nail polish, like I said, on the tip of my nail here and here. The tan looking nail polish you see that I use, beige looking color, is actually acrylic water paint, which is what I'm going to be using for the majority of the nail design. But you're going to see me use a little bit of gold on my middle finger when I paint the design, and I'm just going to outline the square that I'm going to paint on there. And I'm going to be using this by Orly, and it's called Glitz and Glamour. And I felt, if I'm not mistaken, this was a Christmas edition nail polish, and I wish I could have picked up 2 bottles because I'm pretty much out. It's just a little bit in the bottle now, and I can't find it anywhere. So this polish, it was really pretty gold nail polish, and I really hate that I can't find it, but I do have a dupe for it. Clean Colors makes a color that's similar to it, so I'm okay. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started on a design. I'm going to be alternating between the fingers as it dries. I'm also going to be hand painting with a little bit of nail polish this week, which is going to take a little bit longer to get dry, but I want the colors to match perfectly, so I decided to go ahead and use the nail polish rather than try to find a paint that's the same color as the nail polish. So that's why I end up using nail polish this week. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So that is basically it for this nail art design. Hopefully you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.